Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 28th of October. First of all, national news. India will upgrade the Neoma airfield in Ladakh for fighter operations. In letter to S. Jaishankar, AP's Raghav Chadha seek return of Punjabis from UAE. Three Maoists, one among them carrying 5 lakh reward, arrested in Jharkhand. India's first military aircraft to be built by private firm. Central agency NIA's offices in every state, Amit Shah sets 2024 target amid friction. Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar to visit Moscow on November 8. Bagged with explosives, detonators found at Jammu railway station, corpse. 20,000 ducks to be culled after avian flu detected in Kerala's ALAPPUZHA. BJP begin candidates selection process for Gujarat elections. Gujarat has landed mega 22,000 crore project with Tatas and Airbus. Akasa airline on way to Delhi grounded for inspection after bird strike. India to upgrade a key airport used in warding off China near border. And now some international news. Meta is on brink of falling out of top 20 biggest US stocks. Will retaliate if European Union seizes state assets. Russia. Vertical launch roller coaster in Dubai broke Guinness World Record. King Charles planned to sideline Prince Harry and Andrew as royal stand-ins, a report said. China to revise women's protection law for first time in 30 years. Russia warned US against Ukraine aid, said that satellites can become targets. Rishi Sunak to move into small and modest Downing Street flat. Donald Trump hosted Diwali event and said, "Will take us India ties to next level again." And now news related to sports. New era of gender equality, same match fee for men, women cricketers. T20 World Cricket, Virat Kohli became second highest runner scorer in tournament's history. Harris Rauf revealed why team carries Pakistan flag to practice sessions. And now business related news. Sensex rise over 200 points, but poor US earnings reported offset some gains. Rupee pairs some gains to end at 82.50 a dollar on a soaring global mood. Additional monetary policy meeting to be held on November 3, RBI. Dabur shared close with 3% gain after Badshah Masala accusation. Deadline to submit queries on IDBI Bank stake sale extended till November 13. PNB Housing Finance sees 11% rise in quarterly profit on mortgage demand. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank reported 37% rise in Q3 profit to Rs 262 crore. Twitter shared to be suspended on NICE as Elon Musk nears takeover. Indian government 1 to 5 year bonds ripe for medium term gain, a report said. JSW Steel said US unit secured $182 million long term financing. Oil prices rise to near $96 a barrel on strong demand, weaker dollar. News related to science and technology. First test flight of Gaganyaan mission in February next year. ISRO official. Webb captured unprecedented image of galaxies merging near supermassive black hole. NASA announced new team to study UFOs. Ancient bacteria could still be beneath Martian surface. And the International Space Station swerves away from Russian anti-satellite test debris. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.